Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And once the quick panel opens, you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will be the brightness icon, the one that looks like the sun. And you can keep tapping on the icon to adjust the brightness. Basically, you have different levels. We have level 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the select button, not select button, back button, to go back to watch face. And basically, that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.